All right, guys, this is something that I've wanted to do for almost 2 years now, ever since we moved into this house. And I got my office set up exactly the way that I want it. And it still is a work in progress, but I want to show you everything that I've got in here to help me be more productive and also just make this a space where I enjoy coming to work and also where my kids enjoy coming and visiting me down the hall at work. So the first thing that I got set up here are these shelves. Obviously, having a nice backdrop it feels important for making YouTube videos. Who knows if it makes a difference, but I want to have a place where I could put up some nice decorations, but also, family pictures, my favorite quotes, favorite books, the random things that my kids make me that I love to keep in here, so they can come play with them. Balls from all the different courses that I've liked to play. I just, as of the last probably 4 years, have gotten really into golf. And then also a few little throwback items from some of my favorite things. So the backdrop here is kind of a work in progress, and I definitely had my wife help me kind of set some of these things up, and just some space fillers to look like they're not empty. The next thing right here is my desk. The desk matches the shelves. I've got my Apple monitor, which I love. I used to have kind of like a wide screen, like bent monitor, but I really love this monitor. I've got just a magnetic clip for all my filming. So I just film directly from my phone. I don't have like a nice camera. The phone works great. I've got my keyboard and trackpad. I actually at one point switched to an Apple mouse and I hated it. I just used the trackpad on my laptop for so long that now I can't do anything different. So I just plug in my laptop here. I'm sure some of you could give me some suggestions on, better cable management, because it always feels like a little bit of a mess, but I love my desk here. Now, in here is where the magic happens, because I've got to have something for my kids to play with every time that they come in here. So these are like the go-to Father's Day gift that my wife and the kids give me. So these are like all these different types of magnets that they like to play with, and like these specs. So you will almost never come into my office and not see these magnets like all over the carpet here. But I love having stuff like that where the kids can come in and pull stuff out and start playing. And now with, we have a newborn, he's 3 months old. And so a lot of times he'll come in and nap right here just in his little bouncer, so my wife can do her thing. So I love this to be kind of like a comfortable space for them too. So up here, family pictures, all of them are very outdated. So I need to get those updated, because my 2-year-old daughter is constantly peeved that she's not in any of these because she doesn't recognize herself as a baby. Little side project I'm working on here. If you guys haven't heard of Werner Bronkhorst, he creates these like really awesome textured paintings of all these different sports. Because I am an avid golfer, I wanted to create one similar to his style. So shout out to him. You should go look him up on social media. But I've been working on my painting skills and starting to get some of these little golfers in here. But I painted a lot back in like junior high school. And then after that, I didn't do any more. So that's been kind of fun to try to hone some of those skills that have been lost on me for a long time. All right, next thing here, which is maybe my most critical part of my office, the standing desk with the treadmill underneath. The standing desk was somewhat expensive. It's by this company, Desky, but then the treadmill under it is really cheap. It's like an Amazon, I want to say it was like $80 or something. I have put a ton of miles on that thing. Like I'm walking on that probably 60 to 70% of my day every day. And I love it. It keeps me going. It kind of helps with my back and stiffness and posture and all those things. So I really enjoy having that, so I can bounce between sitting down at the desk, which a lot of times I'll do, filming and calls and things. And then I'll just hop right over here into the corner and be able to walk and do the rest of my stuff. So back here, I have a few other things, old signage, other like filming type stuff that I might need. But other than that, the favorite part of this is just the front windows. I love this for multiple reasons. My old office used to be in the basement, and so it sometimes would feel a little bit dark and dingy, a bit like a dungeon, especially during the winter months. And so being able to look outside and see people walking by, and like just today is the second day of school for my oldest son, and so being able to watch him walk home and walk up to the front door and be able to kind of meet him at the front door is always really special. So I love the view. I love to just kind of feel like I let some light into the room. And then this door right here just leads right out to our entryway. And so one tricky part is always boundaries with the kids and always wanting them to feel like they're welcome in the office, right? But then at the same time being able to say like, hey guys, I'm hopping on a call or I'm filming right now. And so usually what I'll do is I'll keep the door closed and I have a little sound barrier at the bottom. I still can hear what's going on out there, which is fine. That's just part of it. But when I'm not doing something where it needs to be quiet, I try to keep that door open so the kids can come in whenever. And I think that the balance of working at home is tricky and can be a struggle, but also I just think that the pros outweigh the cons by a mile. Like it's so fun to be able to go out and play with the kids for a minute between calls or, with the new baby, being able to go out and help or whatever, just being close to them is really fun. And I really enjoy that. And it's taken some years to kind of get good at that balance of being able to jump in and out of work and kind of get locked in and then forget work as you leave the office door. And I certainly haven't perfected that, but it's something that makes me really enjoy working. I love having work so close, but also being able to leave work in here and go out and be with my family. So that's kind of the basics of what I've got going on here. I still need to get a lot more things hung up here. And I've actually got a new keyboard coming from Framer. They're actually sending me a keyboard that's supposed to be here tomorrow. So I might have to make a separate video about that, but that's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited about it. I would love to know if there's anything else that you guys like to have in your office, things that help with productivity, things that make it a fun place for your kids and your family to come visit you, or any other tech or gadgets. Like I'm always open for suggestions. And the last thing that I was going to mention, this chair has been huge for me. I don't even remember where I bought it, but having an actual like lumbar support chair, I don't have a great back. And so for like the longest time I had kind of like a, fancy looking one from IKEA that was like a leather chair. I'm sure it wasn't real leather, but my back just always hurt. And so getting a nice chair is, an investment that is well worth it. And so any of this stuff, like I don't have affiliate links for any of this stuff, but I'll try to leave links down below for, desks and chairs and things if you want to check them out. But I love this office. I'm grateful to have a space to do the stuff that I love. And I'm excited to hear kind of some of your suggestions down in the comments. So thank you guys for hanging with me on this little office tour, and I hope you enjoyed. See ya.